I tell you, you're gonna want to make this salad. The crispiness of the cabbage and the sweetness of the orange, and there's a sesame and soya dressing. Wow, it's out of this world. So here we go. I have 4 cups of cabbage, all shredded, yes. I have 2 sticks of celery, put it in here with the cabbage. 3 carrots, 1 orange in, and I have the amazing kohlrabi. Now I just kept one here beside to show you. If you don't know this vegetable, it is so delicious, and you can make some little sticks and have it with the dip. And here I shredded it to put it in this salad. So this is beautiful. So here we are with all our main ingredients. Now to top it up, I have here some almond and some sesame seed. So these are sliced almond. You put it just in the pan, no oil, nothing, in the pan. There's about half a cup of almond and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Leave that in the pan, shake it up from time to time, and nice toasted almond. So it's gonna give this a nice, fun feeling, really lovely flavor. So put that all here on top of our salad. And I have 1 small onion. So that's all gonna mix together. And here I have a little bit of some of the green part of a leek because I wanted it for the color. So just add that here with our salad. So it's a big salad, isn't it? But we're gonna have that for the whole week. And we can keep it in the fridge for at least 1 week. It keeps easy, and then so all ready to go when you're in a hurry. Just get your salad out and add some chicken breast or a nice steak or whatever you like together with it. I'm gonna add some fennel. Just put that all on top. There's a tablespoon of fennel here. And now we go on to the dressing. Here it is. So in this jar I already have a half a cup of olive oil and 1/3 of a cup of sesame oil. We're going to add to this 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Now, the zest of the orange here, there's about a tablespoon, and also fresh grated ginger. So I'm just going to add that all into our jar here. Whoa, it's so full. Woo! It's going to be nice. Now, we're going to give it a good shake. Just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper here before we mix it all together. Pepper, yes, this is nice. So I put 1 tablespoon of salt and just trying to reach a tablespoon of pepper here. Okay, so the dressing. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, and we'll put it all in. Our salad is ready and it smells amazing. So let's have a little taste. Look at this. Oh, yum. I want some orange too. Let's try. Amazing. delicious. The sesame, the almond here, and all those beautiful crunchy veggies. It is just so nice. We have a big batch, so we have enough to have for the whole week. Bon appetit!